Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel ChemWis. In this video we are going to discuss the mechanism of von Richter rearrangement. For this, conversion of 4-bromo-nitrobenzene to 3-bromobenzoic acid using potassium cyanide has been taken as an example. Let's go through the mechanism. Nitrobenzene derivative has electrophilic carbon ortho to nitro group. Cyanide ion attacks the carbon ortho to nitro group to produce anionic intermediate. This is followed by ring closure via nucleophilic attack on cyano group to produce immediate intermediate, which takes proton from water molecule to produce neutral species and hydroxide ion, after which the immediate intermediate is re-aromatized to produce iminobenzoisoxazole. Ring opening via nitrogen-oxygen bond cleavage yields an orthonitrosobenzamide, which recyclizes to form a compound containing a nitrogen-nitrogen bond. Protonation of this species by water gives N-hydroxyindazolone. Elimination of water molecule produces a cyclic azoketone which undergoes nucleophilic attack by hydroxide ion to produce a tetrahedral intermediate. This intermediate collapses with the elimination of azo group to yield an aryl diazine with an ortho carboxylate group, which extrudes nitrogen gas to produce anionic form of the absorbed benzoic acid product, presumably through the generation and intermediate protonation by an aryl anionic intermediate. Upon acidic workup, it produces 3-bromobenzoic acid.